Welcome to the language world. Today we are learning 25 most common verbs. Let's get started. To understand.
理解
To speak.
说
To listen.
听
To play.
玩
To start.
开始
To show.
展示
To live.
住
To like.
喜欢
To love.
爱
To change.
改变
To meet.
见面
To learn.
学习
To believe.
相信
To run.
跑
To help.
帮助
To watch.
看
To wait.
等
To remember.
记得
To stay.
留
To buy.
买
To sell.
卖
To pay.
付钱
To lose.
失去
To win.
赢
To create.
创造
Quiz time.
说说买买 玩玩爱爱学习学习 理解理解
Leave your answer in the comments. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to learn more languages. See you in the next videos.